right, today I have a Cadillac XTS, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the parking brake on this particular Cadillac XTS. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up, a like, and a subscribe? I guess a thumbs up and a like are the same thing. But either way, could you give me that and subscribe to my channel? I appreciate it. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, in this particular Cadillac XTS, and I say that because your Cadillac XTS may be different from this, okay? What you're gonna do is you are going to, as you can see, I'm sitting behind the steering wheel. Now, what I'm going to do is I am going to look to the left-hand side. But first, you can see my vehicle is in park, and right, my vehicle's in park. I actually currently have it turned on. I am going to look to the left-hand side, and you see this button right here? This right here is the parking button. So what I'm going to do is my foot is on the brake. I'm going to go ahead and press it. Okay, I'm pressing it. Nothing is done. It says parking brake release. That's because in order to engage it, you have to take your finger and pull back on it. My foot is on the brake, and you can see on the instrument panel, it says park, and that's indicative that the parking brake is engaged. Now, one way to turn this off is come back over here, and my foot is on the brake, but I'm going to take my foot off the brake, and then I'm going to try to press it to see if I can disengage it. It will not disengage it. What it says is step on the brake to release parking brake. So I'm going to put my foot, press on the brake, the foot brake down here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to press this, and you see up on the instrument panel the parking sign says park brake release, and that is how you turn it on. Now, it's important that you read your user manual, owner manual, so you know exactly how to do it on your particular Cadillac XTS. Okay, make sure you know how to do it and you know the exact way that you're supposed to do it. This right here is just a quick guide to help you have some sort of understanding, but you need to read the owner's manual. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.